Are you worried your Salesforce org might have hidden security gaps? Learn how to run a complete health check in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to find the health check tool and how to interpret the results to secure your org. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, go ahead and click on Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. Now, in the Quick Find box on the left, type Health to filter the setup options. Finally, click on the Health Check section to run the check and see your org's security status. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.